Good morning, students. Today we will continue the same lesson, resources, and in today's topic we will see the development of resources. So here we will see that resources are vital for human survivals, well as for maintaining the quality of life. Human beings used them indiscriminately and this has led to many problems. So if you will use these resources carelessly, and then we have to face many problems such as depletion of resources for satisfying the greed of few individuals. So if you will use these resources not carefully, then we will not get enough resources. Accumulation of resources in few hands, which in turn divided the society into two segments, rich and poor, or have not. It means some people they have these resources enough with them, and then some they don't have. Indiscriminate exploitation of resources has led the global ecological crisis, global warming, ozone. We will see the types of natural resources on the basis of status of development. Here you will see the potential and actual resources. What is the meaning of potential resources? Potential resources are those whose entire quantity may not be known and these are not being used at present. And these resources could be used in future. So that resources are not used in present, it could be used in future. For example, the western part of India, particularly Gujarat and Rajasthan, have enormous potential for the development of wind and solar energy, but so far these have not been developed properly. Here we can see more examples like uranium found in Ladakh is an example of potential resources that could be used in the high-speed winds were of potential resources 200 years ago, and today they are an actual resources. So in next slide we will see the meaning of actual resources. Actual resources are those resources whose quantity is known and these resources are being used in present. For example, the rural region of Germany and petroleum of the West Asia. Here you can see these actual resources are the dark soils of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra. These all are the actual resources. So children, here you can see the many bases of the types of natural resources. In worksheet you will get the questions depend on this all slides. Please do watch these videos carefully and do it nicely. Thanks. Okay children, so in this slide we will see stock of resources. Stock of resources means how much resources we all have. So then we will see it is the amount of resources available for use. Yet careless use of certain renewable resources like water, soil and forest can affect their stock. If we will use these all stocks and these all resources not carefully, then we have to face this problem. Water seems to be an unlimited renewable resource, but shortage and drying up of natural water sources is a major problem in many parts of the world today. In many parts of the world, people they are facing water problem. But we are saying this is renewable resources, but still we are facing this problem. Why? Because we are not using it carefully. So in next slide, students, you will see some common questions, then we will solve together. Okay students, in this slide we will discuss some common questions, very easy questions these are. Like first question is, think of a few renewable resources and mention how their stock may get affected by overuse. So students, few renewable resources like water, soil, forest, correct? If we will not use these all resources carefully, then what will happen? We will not get these resources anymore. So it will affect us, right? Then question number 2, make a list of 5 human-made resources that you can observe around you. So 5 human-made resources like roads, bridges, buildings, vehicles, these all are human-made resources. Then question number 3 is, what is the meaning of human resource development? As we already discussed that human are itself resource, right? So what is human resource development? Human resource development is, children, like when improving the quality of people's skill, that they are able to create more